students, today we will take our first geology class. So be ready for that. So today I will take the first topic, scope of biology. That means by reading biology, what future career you can take. Why you will take biology? By reading biology, what future you will get. Today I will tell, then we will start our topic. So, scope of biology. If you take biology in your plus 2, what future you can get, what career you will get in future. First understand. If you take biology in your plus 2, what will happen? In plus 3, you can take botany, pass or honors. Another prospect is that you can read plus 3 geology, pass or honors. You can take. And you can also read plus 3 biotechnology. These 4-5 years this subject has started. So you can take biotechnology. It is an applied topic. You can take this biotechnology also. And another thing, you can read for MBBS. What is that MBBS? It's doctor. So here B means bachelor. Bachelor of medicine and bachelor of surgery. Or this is allopathic doctor, and you can read also 5 years course, and you can read BAMS. So here B for Bachelor of Ayurvedic Medicine and Surgery. This is also 5-year course you can read. Another course you can also read after plus 2. If you take biology, you can read Bachelor of Homeopathic Medicine and Surgery. You can also read. So this is a homeopathic doctor. If you read this one, you can become a homeopathic doctor. If you read this degree, you can become a Ayurvedic doctor. And if you read this one, you can become a allopathic doctor. And after that, you can do specialist. You can become a specialist in a particular branch. Beside this, you can, after plus 3 also, you can do PG or postgraduate, that is MSc, PG in botany or PG in geology, master degree in geology you can do. So for 2 years you will read botany, and for 2 years you will read geology. Also you can read, you can PG in biotechnology also you can do. That also you can do. Or you can do PG or MSc in bioinformatics. It is biology related with computers, right? That the data they put, and they will do the biological analysis in the computer. So bioinformatics also you can do, read. And another topic you also PG you can do MSc in biochemistry you can do, right? Or also you can do also MSc in microbiology. Microbiology is regarding reading about the all bacteria, virus, all small organisms you can read. So many scopes are there if you take plus two, if you take biology in the plus two science. So you can become go through the plus three line degree, and you can go also doctor line. You can go through the PG, MSc. Also you can technical degree also. This is the simple degrees. You can get the also technical degrees in agriculture line in OUAT. Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology degree course you can do. That is BTech. If you take plus two, if you take biology in plus two, you can also become a bioengineer, biological engineer in BTech in agriculture. Right? You can become a agriculture engineer, and you can also become BTech in agriculture or BTech in agricultural engineering. Right? The instruments used in the agricultural field. That technical degree you can get. Also, you can become a BE or Bachelor in Engineering in horticulture. Horticulture means what? Fruits, fruit cultures. Right? BE horticulture. Also, you can become BE in veterinary science. Veterinary science is treatment. It is a treatment of the all animals, pet animals, domestic animals, or wild animals. If they suffer from any problem, in the veterinary doctors they treat these animals. So you can become a veterinary doctor also. Besides that, you can become also BE in fishery science. Right. This bachelor, it is a technical degree in fishery science. Besides also, MSc fishery is also there. PG fishery is also there. PG fishery, and here it is a degree course, but it is a postgraduate degree in this fisheries. You go through you can read fishery through PG. Also, you can take the technical degree also fishery science, and you can also read. You can get chance to read also BE in forestry. Right. So many technical degrees are based on the biology. These things you can get. Right. Also, nowadays in engineering colleges, where the electrical engineering, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, they are teaching. There also biotechnology courses also started. There also you can read in BTech in biotechnology also. There you can read. So there is a vast scope, chance is there for you if you read +2 science, biology there if you, right? Then after that you can do also MTech on these things. Then after that you can do the research on that, right? Then also in PG also another subject, now so many subjects are developed. PG in pathology. Okay. So these are the scopes. These are the scopes of biology for future career. So you will be always in a better position if you take +2 science. In the +2 science, if you take the biology. So then I will talk you about the branches of biology. Okay. Hello student. वर्तमान जूलॉजी मेन टॉपिक को आसवा. जूलॉजी टा बहुत भास्ट सब्जेक्ट होइथिबारो सेटा को ब्रांचेस कराई. तेणु जूलॉजी is divided into many branches. So one branch is pure branches of biology. Means here the biological terms are used in both zoology and botany. Here terms like morphology, these are the terms of the biology. These are used in both botany and zoology. So you should know these words. Always you will read in the throughout the botany class and zoology classes in these 2 years. So you should read and understand all these terminologies or words, technical words. So morphology, anatomy, physiology, taxonomy, right? Then you can genetics, evolution, right? Then embryology. These terms you will always read in botany and zoology. Paleontology, biogeography, these words, like this, so many words are there, you will come across. These words you will get. So you know what is morphology. These are all the Greek words. These are not the English words, these are Greek words. So here these words, it has its meaning. See, you know this is logi. Logi means science. Morph means forms or structures. Right. So by this way you can analyze and get the meaning of the terms. So morpho means forms, logi means science. So it is a form science, means it is study of forms or structures of the organism. But organism रो स्ट्रक्चर विषय अध्ययन करने को कहा morphology. Head, hand, nose, eye, ear, chest, leg, all are the, if you study all these external features, then it is called external morphology. If you study the internal structures, that is called internal morphology. So this internal morphology is also called anatomy. So it is, anatomy is the study of internal structures. Internal, that is remaining inside, or you can call it also internal morphology. And physiology, it is study of the functions of the different organs. If you study the functions of, so it is study of function of the different organs, how the heart works, how the lungs works, how the eye works, how the nose works, how the tongue works, how the muscle works, right? So different organs function, if you read, that is called physiology. So this term physiology means function. So they tell like that, write the physiology of heart, write the physiology of the brain, like that. Physiology means function. Taxonomy means it is study of classifications. It is study of classification or grouping. It is study of classification or grouping of living beings for better understanding of the animal. Genetics, you know, it is study of inheritance. It is study of inheritance. It is study of inheritance or variation. Inheritance and variation. जो कैरेक्टर पेरेंट्स टू चाइल्ड को आसुची आउ इनहेरिटेंस और वेरिएशन. इवोल्यूशन माने स्लो चेंज, little change in the next generation, that is called evolution. This is very slow. So evolution means slow and steady change. Slow and steady change in organism through the course of time. समय क्रम रे जो लिटिल चेंज हुए ताको कहा जाए इवोल्यूशन थ्रू कोर्स ऑफ टाइम. Embryology, study of embryo. What is embryo? It is the living being. It is stage after zygote. So it is after zygote stages. After zygote stage. After zygote stage developments. In the body of organism before birth. जन्म हवा पूर्वरु बॉडी भितरे जो भ्रूणटा बढ़ुची सेटा कहा जाए एम्ब्रियो. दैट मे बी ए प्लांट एम्ब्रियो, दैट मे बी ए एनिमल एम्ब्रियो, राइट? सो दिस plant embryology we read in the plant botany, and zoology, that animal embryology we read in the zoology. Paleontology is the study of fossils. Study of fossils. Fossils माने कौन? जीवाश्म जोड़ा कि माटी तले चापी होगी रही जीवर अंश विशेष से गुड़िकर अध्ययन करने को कहा जाए पैलेंटोलॉजी. प्लांट विषय पढ़ा कहा जाए फाइटोपैलेंटोलॉजी. एनिमल जीवाश्म विषय पढ़ा कहा जाए zooplanketology. So for plant it is called phytopaleontology, for animal it is called zoopaleontology. Biogeography माने the animals and plants, they are distributed on the earth surface, that is called biogeography. Organisms distributed on the earth surface. Organisms distributed on the earth surface is called biogeography. It is study of organisms distributed on the earth surface. So it may be, if you study the plant distributions on the earth surface, it is called phyto biogeography. If you study the animal distribution on the earth surface, that is called zoobiogeography. So like this, so many terms we use in the botany as well as in zoology. Right? So next, the organ-based branches are what? Let us know. In organ-based branches, here we study different organs. Right? So for every organ there is a term. For every organ there is a term. Like this, you can see, you can take it from your side, see from head. Study of brain box. First you take from the top. Study of the, you take second one, this one. Study of brain box is called craniology. Logi means science, cranio means brain box. Right? Then you take study of eye, ophthalmology. Logi means science, ophthalmo means eye. So if you study the eye in detail, that is called ophthalmology. And person who studies about eye, a person who is very much expert in the study of eye, they are called ophthalmologist. So only highest. So here is a craniologist, like this. A person who studies about the heart. A person who is very much expert on the heart. We call them the cardiologist. So study of the heart is called cardiology. Right? Like study of nose. Rhinology. These terms you should know always. Right? So these terms you will get through the during the course of study. Then teeth. Study of teeth is called odontology. Right? Study of tongue. Linguology. Study of skin, dermatology. Right? Skin specialist, we call no skin specialist, we call dermatologist. So expert is there. You put it, you remove the eye and you can put it IST. You remove the eye and put the IST, that is called dermatologist. He is the expert. Right? So anything. These branches you can see in the hospitals. See, next you can take to the bone. Study of bone is called osteology. Blood is called hematology. Why? Why it is called hematology? Because hemoglobin is there in the blood. Hematology. Right? So, study of kidney. Kidney is the nephrology. Nephrology. Why it is called nephrology? Because in kidney nephrons are there. Right? Study of brain, spinal cord, etc. Spinal cord is called or nerves. Study of brain or spinal cord or nerves are called neurology. Right? So many things are there. We'll read later on. Then if you study the male sex organ of the human or any organism, male sex organ, male reproductive system. Andrology. जदि फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम विषय में आम डिटेल पढ़ा फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम डिटेल पढ़ा सेटा हम कहे गायनेकोलॉजी. The expert who knows in detail about the female reproductive system, we call them gynecologist. Generally, they are the doctors. So these are things, and so many organs are there, and concerned names are there for that. We will read later on. Then after that, let us know the organizing base branches. What are the organizing base branches? Organizing means you take mammals, right? Study of mammals, स्तन्यपायी प्राणी. स्तन्यपायी प्राणी मानक विषय अध्ययन करिया पई कहा जाए मामोलॉजिस्ट. सब जते सब स्तन्यपायी प्राणी अछंती सी ऑर्गेनाइजिंग विषय पढ़िया पई कहा जाए मामोलॉजी. The study of mammals is called mammalogy. Right? Study of birds. तुम जैसे जो birds मान पढ़ो देखो चढ़ी देखिया पे लोक मान अछंती जाई चढ़ी को देखंती चढ़ी रो आचरण देखंती से मान कह जाए जो मान चढ़ी विषय अध्ययन करंती बेसी से मान कह जाए ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट. ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट स्टडी टा को होची ऑर्निथोलॉजी और जो माने अध्ययन करंती तांको हबो ऑर्निथोलॉजिस्ट. राइट. सो स्टडी ऑफ बर्ड्स जदि रेप्टाइल्स सरीसृप मान को देखिबा रेप्टाइल्स सरीसृप झिटिपिटी हो स्नेक हो हला बा कुंभीर हो जते सब सरीसृप अछंती रेप्टाइल्स मान विषय में अध्ययन करिया पे कहा जाए साउरोलॉजी. बहुत प्रकार रेप्टाइल अछंती स्नेक अछंती कुंभीर अछंती लिजर्ड अछि. तेणु ये रेप्टाइल्स भितर केवल स्नेक मान को पढ़ा जाए स्नेक जातीय रेप्टाइल मान विषय में पढ़ा तांकर विषय अध्ययन को कहा जाए ओफियोलॉजी. ओफियो मीन्स स्नेक और सर्पेंटोलॉजी मतलब कहा जाए करो सर्पेंटोलॉजी. आउ जदि आम लिजर्ड विषय पढ़ा लिजर्ड हो हला तापरे बर्ड्स रेप्टाइल हला तापरे धर आम पढ़ा एड़ा सब वर्टिब्रेट्स आम जदि पढ़ा धर इनवर्टिब्रेट मान विषय पढ़ा धर आम हाइड्रा विषय पढ़ा हाइड्रा नाइडोलॉजी हाइड्रा विषय पढ़ा कहबा नाइडोलॉजी. तमे जदि पढ़ा प्लैटीहेलमिन्थेस चेप्टाक्रोमी प्लैटीहेलमिन्थेस प्लैटीहेलमिन्थोलॉजी. यदि आम आस्केलमिन्थेस विषय पढ़ा राउंड और विषय पढ़ा आस्केलमिन्थेस विषय पढ़ा आस्केलमिन्थोलॉजी. आस्केलमिन्थोलॉजी. Those who are studying about Aschelminthes, they are called Aschelminthologists. Right? Like this, you see the insects, study of insects. Entomology. these words will go through, will get, all these words will get with the classifications. Insects, right? And also these are the organic based branches. In applied branches, you see, in applied branches we read about the applications of the biology. There we study the application of biology like this. You can take gerontology. In gerontology, you study about the aging, right? Aging of the animal. Why animal gets aged, why it dies, there is the study. Enzymology. These are the applied branches. Toxicology, study of toxins. So there are so many applied branches are there. Exobiology. Exobiology, they study about the possibility of living being there in the outer space or not. They study, in exobiology, they study whether there are other living beings present in other star or other planet or not. They study the possibilities of the living being there in the other planet or not. Like this, so many applied branches are there. Then other branches, last branches is called interrelated branches. In interrelated branches, biology is studied with, if you study the physical aspect of the biology, that is called interrelated biology. Suppose we will read the blood pressure, right? Blood pressure of the blood circulation and the air pressure in the lungs. These are the pressure, temperature of the body, right? Biting pressure of the teeth. These are the physical quantities. These physical quantities they read in the physics. So when you read this physics material in the biology, that is called biophysics. Biophysics. If you read some physics material, physics things in the biology, that is called biophysics. This is the interrelated branches. Like this, also another branch is there, that is called biochemistry. Biochemistry. If you read the chemical aspect, chemical reactions that occurring in the human being or living being, that study is called biochemistry. We study the respiration, how the oxygen is oxidizing our food, how the plant is photosynthesizing. All these things comes under the biochemistry. And if you study the countings, number of blood cells, number of cells, number of DNA, number of muscles. If you see if you read about the countings, mathematics parts of the biology, that is called biometrics. Biometrics, right? Or biostatistics. Right? These are the things. So these are the branches of biology. So there are so many things are there. These are the basic things. If you understand, then next class we will study. Okay, thank you.
34 मिनिट 20 सेकेंड लगे चारटा भी लगे दूसरी आप बसत ना लगी था कहीं कि आसो क्लास कर गरम लगे धीरा लगी